Welcome to Ebusiness Prime channel, I'm Zoe. Today, I'm gonna talk about sourcing, which is the main service of us. In the last 20 years, China is so-called the world factory. Depending on low labor cost, the product you buy here is much cheaper than that in any other countries.
We cooperated with many factories in China. Dongguan in Guangzhou, the home of Made in China. From the mid-1980s, Dongguan was China's leading export and manufacturing base, a hot house for churning out inexpensive clothes, toys, and shoes bearing that name Made in China label. Yiwu in Zhejiang, which is called the second international market in China. Fake hair, fans, clothes, shoes. There are many little showrooms but not retail shops. But there are the display centers for the output of thousands of factories around China, and the scale of the markets and the amount of products is incredible.
Okay, if you want to start a business in China, we can help you find reliable suppliers with good quality but low price. And if you are in China, we also can send samples to you. So please tell me your requirements about products and contact me in private chat. I'm Zoe in Ebusiness Prime, your business partner in China. Thank you.